Welcome to the spoken tutorial on Overview of Moodle. In this tutorial, we will learn about the concept of Learning Management Systems, LMS in short, Moodle as an LMS, who can use Moodle, and examples of Moodle websites. We will also learn about the software and hardware requirements for running Moodle and key features that will be demonstrated in the Moodle series. Learners of this tutorial should know how to browse a website. Let us first understand what Learning Management System or LMS is. An LMS helps us to create, manage and deliver any e-learning content. For example, educational courses and training programs. It also helps us to manage our courses. We can create and edit content, give access to students, grade their submissions, etc. Moodle is a responsive, free and open source software. It is one of the most popular LMS used globally by educational institutes. Its security controls keep our data safe and protected. It has some very powerful features that empower both teachers and learners. Moodle also provides detailed documentation which makes it easy to use. The Moodle user community and forum help are very active. The free plugins available in Moodle make it even more feature-rich. Moodle is easy to navigate on all devices, has detailed reports on activity and participation at course and site level, helps in collaborative as well as personalized learning. Forums, peer assessments, group management, learning paths, etc. can be used for that. Let us see who can use Moodle LMS. Educational institutions like universities, colleges, schools, and coaching institutes. Businesses for employee training and orientation. Hospital and healthcare training programs. Any e-learning based institution. Let us see some of the websites built using Moodle. Colleges like these. Private universities like these. Training institutes like this one. Coaching institutes like this. Individual teachers who want to offer their course online, and many more. Moodle has detailed statistics of usage on the following URL. Here, you can check the registered Moodle websites from various countries. To install Moodle, we need Apache Web Server, a database like MySQL, MariaDB or PostgreSQL, and PHP. Moodle is a resource-consuming software. Recommended hardware for running Moodle are disk space 200 MB for Moodle code plus space to store content. However, 5 GB is a realistic minimum. Processor 1 GHz minimum, but 2 GHz dual core or more is recommended. Memory 512 MB minimum, but 1 GB or more is recommended. These requirements may change based on the expected load on the system. For example, number of courses and expected simultaneous logins. At the time of making of this series, Moodle 3.3 was the latest stable version. It is always recommended to work with the latest stable version that is available. Moodle 3.3 requires the following: Apache 2.x or higher version, MariaDB 5.5.30 or any higher version, and PHP 5.4.4 or any higher version. For this series, we have used the following OS and software: Ubuntu Linux OS 16.04, Apache, MariaDB and PHP obtained through XAMPP 5.6.30 and Moodle 3.3. This Moodle series is divided into two parts. One for Moodle site administrators and another for teachers. Moodle site administrators will install Moodle on the server, create course categories as per institute guidelines, and manage courses and user accounts for multiple courses. Here are the glimpses of some key features covered in this series for Moodle site administrators. Getting ready for Moodle installation tutorial explains how to check for packages on the local host and set up the database. Installing Moodle on local server tutorial explains how to download and install Moodle. Admin's dashboard in Moodle tutorial explains the admin dashboard, the various blocks and the profile page, and how to edit preferences. Blocks in Admin's dashboard tutorial explains how to add and delete blocks and set the front page. In the next tutorial, Categories in Moodle, we will learn to create categories and subcategories. In Courses in Moodle tutorial, we will learn how to create a course and configure it. Users in Moodle tutorial will help us to understand how to add a user, edit a user's profile, and upload users in bulk. User roles in Moodle tutorial will help us to learn how to assign various roles to users. For example, secondary admin role, teacher role, and student role. There will be many more tutorials in this series for Moodle site administrators in the future. We will now move to the tutorials for teachers. Teachers will be responsible for uploading and editing content for their course, create assignments and quizzes to assess the students' progress, and enroll students to their course and communicate with them. Now, let me show you the glimpses of some key features covered in the series for teachers. Teachers Dashboard in Moodle tutorial explains the teacher's dashboard, how to edit profile, and how to edit preferences. Course Administration in Moodle tutorial explains how to configure course settings and manage activities and resources in a course. Formatting course material in Moodle tutorial explains the various formatting options in the default Moodle text editor and adding additional course material. Uploading and editing resources in Moodle tutorial explains how to upload a URL resource and a book resource and edit those resources. The next tutorial in the series is Forums and Assignments in Moodle. In this tutorial, we will learn about the different types of forums in Moodle, how to add a forum for discussion, and how to create assignments. In the Question Bank in Moodle tutorial, we will learn how to create categories of questions and add questions to the question bank. Quiz in Moodle tutorial will teach us to create a quiz and add questions from the question bank into the quiz. In the tutorial named Enroll Students and Communicate in Moodle, we will learn to enroll students who were uploaded via a CSV file to a course, make groups in courses, and send messages and notes to the students. Later, there will be many more tutorials for teachers and students in this series. For now, let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learnt about the concept of learning management systems, LMS in short, Moodle as an LMS, who can use Moodle, and examples of Moodle websites. We also learnt about the software and hardware requirements for running Moodle and overview of the key features that will be demonstrated in the Moodle series. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Do you have questions in this spoken tutorial? Please visit this site. Choose the minute and second where you have the question. Explain your question briefly. Someone from our team will answer them. The Spoken Tutorial forum is for specific questions on this tutorial. Please do not post unrelated and general questions on them. This will help reduce the clutter. With less clutter, we can use these discussions as instructional material. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown. This script has been contributed by Nancy and Priyanka. And this is Nancy Workey along with the Spoken Tutorial team signing off. Thanks for joining.